Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is. You can't do nothing about it right now? All right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that. You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Court calls the case of the People versus Alexis Brown.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Attorney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
In this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount? 5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now? All
I
right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. If I guess
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
it doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out.
If you
But she just said it was no bond.
post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
With this hearing, the main legal takeaway is about what happens when someone chooses to represent themselves and how much responsibility comes with that choice. First, there's the Miranda issue. A lot of people believe that if police don't read you your rights, the arrest is automatically illegal. That's not how the law works. Miranda warnings are required before custodial interrogation, meaning before police question someone while they're in custody. If those warnings aren't given, the arrest can still be valid. The issue is usually whether statements can be used later in court, not whether the case disappears. That's also why the judge couldn't answer that question. Judges can explain procedure, but they can't give legal advice or step in as someone's lawyer. Once a defendant decides to speak for themselves, they take on that role completely. And that's the real point here. Representing yourself doesn't change the rules of court. You're still held to the same standards as an attorney, and misunderstandings about the law can hurt your case instead of helping it. You still have all your rights, but you also carry all the responsibility that normally falls on a lawyer.